Come slay with me today. So today I am doing a silk press. This is something that I do every single day that I'm in the shop. I'm using Amika's Blockade. That's a heat protect serum that protects up to 450 degrees. You can use it while your hair is wet or dry. I prefer to use it while the hair is dry because I use a different heat protectant when the hair is wet. I always use at least 2 heat protectants anytime I do a silk press, but here is me doing one pass throughout the hair.